Hi guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and today I'm here with showing you my Rae Dunn coffee bar, two of my tier trays, what I did, and the winner of the pink measuring cups. So I'll go ahead and pick that, so make sure you guys stick around. I'm sorry this was supposed to go out yesterday. It's been a little hectic here. Wolfie's not feeling very good again, and yeah, but I wanted to get this out to you and show you what's going on. It's going to be a short video, and I wanted to share with you what I have been busy doing. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and start with the coffee bar. And I have those cute little spiders. I want to say I got those from Walmart last year on clearance. And then what I did here was feather boas. Put some little spiders in there. I think I'm going to still add some lights. So things might be changed a little bit when you see the home tour. And you can see all my Rae Dunn mugs, my black and orange here. So that's what I did in this area. And then down here I ended up using my little Target, what's it say, Wicked Potions. Last year I had a bunch of little potion bottles, but I thought this is perfect for my coffee bar. I love using these. If you guys have never tried them, the skinny syrups. I want to get one more hat for this one right here. So some of it's still a little work in progress. I got this cute little sign from a craft show. And then my Hocus Pocus, this was actually the ones that came in a set of 2. And I just put my straws because this is how I stir my coffees. And then I have just a cute little hat right here. Then you come down, and right here I have the You Got Treats. That's holding all my Keurig pods, my coffee pods. That's, you guys know, the black gumball machine from Target. Candy coma. I put the witch's legs. I thought that'd be cute that she's, you know, in a coma upside down in the mug. Over here, I just did my little, what are those called? Cauldrons. And I stuck the witch's hats, my toppers on those, which I think looks adorable. And then obviously the ghost. Here's some of my extra mugs. You guys, it's funny. I started the season out with 2. And look at how many I have now. That's a Rae Dunn one, but I just turned it around and put a decal on it. And that's just a little Dollar Tree sign, a little pumpkin back there. I'm going to give you the once over. Okay, so here is my tier tray that I usually have in the center of my kitchen island. You guys all know what that is, little cutie. That's the cute little ghost from the Dollar Tree. I was lucky to find a couple of those. It's one of my mugs, Rae Dunn mugs. A lot of it is Dollar Tree or Target dollar spot items. If you guys see something, let me know. Okay guys, so this lights up, but you can't see it very well. It kind of flickers. I got that from the at-home store. And then this side, I have these cute little salt and pepper shakers. My haunted house, which I was so excited to find. My little, I'm not even going to try to say those bowls. Terremoto, with some little eyeballs. All my little cookie cutters. And my little creepy hand bowl. Then I have another haunted to go with the haunted house. Okay, so this area over here is like my little witches area. Witches Brew Cafe Bakery is where I ended up putting this because, as you guys see, I have a little area back there that needs to be fixed. But this is what I decided to do in this area. My little salt and pepper shakers. Cauldrons, so stinking cute. My little books from the Dollar Tree. She is from Target. She is just so adorable. And then what I have going on here is my Hocus Pocus, my little Target potion bottles. So this little cat that I stuck in the Drink Up Witches, he's from Dollar Tree last year. Is he not the cutest, you guys? I just have him kind of popping out. I thought it was very suiting. Then over here, which I'm kind of bummed you can't see it very well, is my magical mug. My other purple one. And then I have a little tree, a Halloween tree. This sign was from Target last year. A little purple pumpkin. So that is this area, which I love this. This turned out so cute to me. And then I have the little green light on. And when I do my Halloween home tour, you will see it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the winner of the pink measuring cups. I want to say something really quick. I thought about this, the pink measuring cups, why I waited. October, as you know, is breast cancer awareness. My mom had breast cancer. She beat it, but unfortunately, my mother passed away from pancreatic cancer, so that took her. But it's near and dear to my heart, and I make sure I get my checkups every year because it runs in my family. So I hope you ladies and gentlemen, because yes, it can happen to men, that you are making sure you're giving self-exams, getting your regular checkups. Just make sure you guys do that. I just wanted to say that. Thank you guys. I'm going to say my goodbyes right here. Make sure you be kind to one another. love one another. And oh, make sure you're subscribed if you're not. If you're new, I'm Jamie with Loving All Seasons. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, everything is in there. Yes, everything is in there. That's the fall home tour where you guys entered. No duplicate users. The comment, pink measuring cups. Comments, I'm going to go ahead and hit that again so you guys can see that it's 81. And we're going to get started for the winner of the pink measuring cups. Karen, you are the winner. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me over at Jamie Loving All Seasons. So you can contact me and I can get your address and get that sent out. Congratulations. How exciting. Make sure you send it out. If you don't get to me by a week, Karen, I will pick a new one.